Hello guys, how are you? Here we are with a new video about the topics earn money online. We have started top 7 sites to earn money online. Introducing all these sites. Number 1 is Intellisoom.com, number 2 is softwarejudge.com, and then third one is userfeel.com, fourth one is testingtime.com, while fifth is userlytics.com, sixth one is playtestcloud.com, and last seventh is trymyui.com. All these sites are available. When you have signed up for these, you are only to give the opinions for earning. On this site, Intellisoom.com, your opinion matters. Get paid to share your experience and make an impact on product you love and care about. While you can get paid quickly and easily, only saving for the something, looking for that a bit of extra spending money. Join the people all over the world making additional income by sharing their experiences. Only give 15 to 20 minutes to spare. Giving feedback is easy. Participation in study remotely on your schedule from your home or your work. While how can you start this? As soon as you finish the registration process and answering 3 basic profile questions, you may sign up successfully. While how much money you could make, payment depend on the complexity of study. For studies that record think about loud and audio and video, you can expect to make $10 on average. For standard surveys, the payment is $2 on average. While second one is software judge. Here you must have a strong opinion options about some software, whether positive or negative, and want to get paid for the preview. You are in the right place for softwarejudge.com. They will pay you about $50 for telling them while software is good or not. Look at this. You can see the software listed here. Minimum lowest rate is $1, while you can see the minimum lowest rate is also $89.95. Here are some lists. You can show this. You can see this for all these reviews. While third one is userfeel.com. They have about 150,000 qualified testers with 500 plus happy clients. Next one is fourth, testing time. They are recruiting with your research program. Choose between remote at your location or at test user whom will enable you to conduct any of your favorite study method, from test surveys, focus groups. Tell them what you have liked in a target audience or calculator instantly. Specify the price they are going to give you. In userlytics, this is most simplest mode to earn money online. While you have to sign up for this, get paid to a test. We are going to check this. Start earning love with 3 easy steps to start testing. Sign in with a simple form, complete your profile and become an active tester. Get signed test according to your preference skills. Once you receive a study invitation, your task is simple. Just perform a few simple activities while communicating your thoughts out loud. Third one is on your test has been uploaded. Once your test has been uploaded successfully and approved by their team, you can earn between $5 to $90 depending on the test, which you will receive in your PayPal account at the end of the week. Thank you very much. This is the video.